So actually, Tesco is one of the largest supermarkets sa UK. So kung bakit ito ganun, so it was the help of the Club Card. So that's why it was named as Tesco Club Card. That is the biggest factor why Tesco is now the leader when it comes to supermarket. So it's the world's most successful retail loyalty program. And today it's the United Kingdom's most successful retailer and the world's most successful tourist supermarket with 400,000 customers. Okay? It is also a leader in the financial services market with 3.4 million customers and perhaps the best retailer in the world at managing customer relations with 221,000 employees. Imagine that, so they have 221,000 employees and more than 65,000 ones working outside the country. So, there's also a possibility that some of our graduates or even non-graduates will be actually working there. And it is just one of the 3 grocery chains in Great Britain. So it is also a large country where it is one of the 3 largest coming from the UK alone. So fighting for share customers. Okay. So the first thing is loyalty program. So there are actually different bases why they come up with loyalty program. So questions of loyalty, so what are they? So we all